Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here with us today. Today we are working on a do-it-yourself 30-minute upgrade on our do-it-yourself 30-minute furnace. We're going to make it a little bit safer, and let's get to it. Here we have our 30-minute furnace that we made last week, and we are going to apply some material on it to make it safer. When I saw the furnace glowing like this in the evening, it triggered a concern that I needed to take some safety measures. So I picked up a few products to add onto my firing table and onto my furnace. The first product I picked up is the fire barrier sealant. We're going to seal the gap between these two pavers. The fire barrier sealant is latex based and it'll bond to the concrete pavers. It'll dry to a rubber-like solid and it will expand when it is heated. The second product I picked up is some SimWool Rigidizer. It's rated for 2300 degrees, and the Rigidizer is a hardening agent, and when it is applied to a ceramic fiber blanket, it forms a protective rigid outer surface for the blanket. I will use a spray bottle to apply the Rigidizer. The third product I picked up is this Heat Guard refractory cement. It is a coating that is water-based and it seals the wall of the furnace to prevent heat loss. It is also used to protect against heat, flue gases, and fumes. I'm going to take some of the fire barrier sealant and caulk the burner intake to prevent any heat loss. Now is the time for the SimWool Rigidizer. Hey, I might as well do the little burner too. I'm using my handheld burner to heat up the furnace to help accelerate the drying process. Now it's time for the refractory cement. Well, this concludes this episode on do-it-yourself 30-minute upgrade on our 30-minute furnace, and I hope this enhances your skills as you build your furnace and as you build it for safety. And if you enjoyed this episode, I encourage you to smash that like button and to share this on your channel so others can enjoy it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel, become part of our AU family. We love to have you in the family. We're so thankful that you're here. We thank you for your support, and we will see you on the next one.